is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Make it Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle, can't stand you. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We talk about going to the moon, and damn, we're going soon. How's everyone doing? I'm Wall Street Pete. If you're unaware of who the hell I am, gentleman used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. We come live to you every day with a video. You hit the like, hit the bell, all notifications, so when we do go live, you get this stuff immediately, and it is not a video. Well, what's been going on, ladies and gentlemen? There was a video from 2 weeks ago. Was talking about Cardano right here. Currently was trading 36 cents, 35 cents. And a lot of people don't understand, but this is kind of the right shoulder. Pay attention on the hourly and the 4-hourly chart for Cardano. We're going to give you an update about Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I believe this is very important to know about these three. And if there's anything else you want to know about, please, in the comments section, let us know. If you're here for the live, if you're watching the recording, just sit back and relax. This is going to be a great video this morning for you. Happy Friday. It's October 28th, 3 days away from Halloween already. It's sickening, isn't it? So hit a like and subscribe. We're talking about these things here. And what happened 2 weeks ago, right? 2 weeks ago, we came to you live, only got 90 views. One day I'll have millions of views or thousands, whatever the hell it is. But I said crypto winter is done. 2 weeks ago, ladies and gentlemen, I got laughed at. A lot of people thought I was crazy. I got name called and all these things, and that's fine. But I want you to pay attention to what is happening in the crypto space. 58% of institutional investors bought crypto in an hour. This is what happened to the market. This is where the rally came from. And tech jumping into crypto. Global crypto adoption. High net worth investor. Well, we got 48% jumping into the space right now. Financial advisors, well, 37% are getting into the space. Along with a family office, gentleman or woman, we have a 25% rate. Traditional hedge funds, 10%. E&Fs and pension and DB plans at 7%. So pay attention to what's going on in the crypto space as we tune in. Institutional crypto buyers, reason for investing survey was done. High potential upside, 43% do believe that this is what's going on in the crypto assets, crypto space here. All right, innovative tech play, 41% do believe this is the reason behind it. Enabling decentralization has about almost 30 to 29% behind this. Free from government intervention, as we know, we preach, we talk about the decentralization and how Bitcoin is so special. There's no other asset like it, and how we need to be protected from the government, right? Let's be serious about this. It's very important, as 26% of the people do believe that this is why their big institutional crypto buyers are coming into the space. And finally, but not last here, we have uncorrelated two other assets. So a lot of people are finding out things of the new space. They're getting into the altcoins, and they're learning that there's not just Bitcoin in the space here. So there are some shit coins. Hit the like and subscribe, hit the follow, all bell notification. What we did in 22 hours ago, we're going to go over that Very important 22 hours ago, as we were talked about 2 weeks ago. I want you to watch this video. I want you to pay attention to what happens here. We told you when it was $1,294 Ethereum, we were going to hit this 1569 support. But then what happens next is more even amazing than that. We tell you the fall, right? And as I said right here, Ethereum, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to the chart. I said live to you yesterday, 22 hours ago, 1494, most likely going to hit on this pattern here. As you can see, we came all the way down. 1450 could be worst case scenario. You'll be able to buy this. We have a few things we want to talk about this morning and why the Fibonacci sequence was money on there. Pretty much what I did for you yesterday. So listen to the video. Hopefully we can go back to it to the beginning. Here we go with the Fibonacci telling you as it occurs, right? It doesn't get any better than that. We did it before that all happened, and here it comes with the video. Without further ado, here we go. What's happening here in the big picture, and I've got to make this a different standout color. We'll do yellow. This is your big cup and handle for the 4 hourly. Please hit the like and subscribe. We got our head and shoulders pattern in here as it looks like a... As you're watching the video, it's hard to see, but Ethereum is trading $1,574, $1,574 if you could make that out. Big penis here coming through, and I'm sorry if that's what it's starting to look like, so we'll get rid of it, but we did call that being the right shoulder there as I have the circles with the face, right shoulder indicating on each one. So pay attention, definitely imagine as we're erasing it, cleaning up this mess as we got a cup and handle, as we called. If we get this fall for the Sunday Fun Day, we will then get this right here. You're going to find here on Wall Street Pete is going to give you the pullback numbers, and no one does this. Come on. Who tells you what's going up? Who tells you 1569 in the last video will be rejection as we're currently starting to consolidate a little and pump through? We'll see if it continues. If it does, this is much more bullish than I thought. But if we start falling down and breaking below the 1535 price, you're the... So if you don't see what's happening here in the big picture, and I've got to make this... So if you can see from the video, what's up, Anwar? Good morning to you. The audio is good on my end. Maybe at your end, you just got to get the volume up. We're talking about these things, how important it is for Ethereum. I said a cup and handle's coming. We were trading 1574, ladies and gentlemen. 1574, if you don't know where the price is on this chart, was all the way up here. I then said, if you pay attention, definitely to mention, we will be getting some type of rejection at the 1569. Ladies and gentlemen, it's perfect. Watch the videos. If you're not watching the videos, I can't help you. So here it is, exactly as predicted. Wall Street Pete, what else is effing new? What's going to happen next? Well, that's for another video for Ethereum. But Bitcoin, I'm going to tell you what I believe Bitcoin is going to do. Then we're going to get right into Cardano. Bitcoin currently right now facing a little bit on the daily, some retracement coming down maybe to the 20,200. I said we must hold. If you pay attention to this, I do believe that we will find ourselves, as I keep saying, January 2023, even before. By this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will be trading 30,000 Bitcoin. You don't believe me? Don't believe me? Just watch! Bum, 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 bum. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto, the best TA, the best channel in the space. Check us out. We give you the details. We tell you what's going to happen next. 30,000 Bitcoin is definitely coming if we continue this. If we continue this move here, we got to get some indicators out, but I do see this fall. I said it was going to settle. Watch the videos. If you're not watching the videos, I don't know what you're doing. More importantly, though, before we get into the Cardano space, before we start talking about, hit the like and subscribe. IOG CEO Charles Hoskinson, I have some big news here. Cardano will eventually, and this is breaking news, the 28th, which is today, will be a network of blockchains. Why Cardano is the best space, is the best asset in the space. According to a report by the Daily Hodl in a video released on Tuesday, October 25th, Charles Hoskinson made the following prediction. What he's saying is that everyone is eventually going to coincide with Cardano. Cardano being the lead blockchain parallel with other chains. Now, if you're watching and you're paying attention, don't worry, Wall Street Pete has your back. Elon Musk is now running through with the Twitter buying, and so sure, why not? We had a little bit of some conversation. Can we add support to the JPEG store NFT? Cardano NFTs are booming, and our community would be by far one of the largest. Much appreciated. While you're at it, can you please get them verified? Sounds something like Charles Hoskinson would say. Ask one question and give someone 10 directions after that. That's a leader. And it's unbelievable, but this is what the plan was all along. Elon Musk is going to limit the people being able to get involved. So we're going to find out if Dogecoin is going to correlate as well. I don't know if many understand that, but Elon Musk's plan was to get Dogecoin involved. And I did say to my buddy, I'm not going to show you the chat, but I said we're looking for 90 cents to him, and he got excited because when Wall Street Pete says something like that, well, you better pay attention. So Dogecoin, we're going to have to put that into the comment section. Dogecoin looking to hit about 90 cents. Well, I'll finally dollar cost average out. It's probably 11. That's where I expect some major resistance. So if you did not know, yes, we threw a little bit of Doge in there. I do expect Dogecoin to hit some resistance at the 90 cents, 89 to be precise. And then perhaps we find ourselves all the way at 11 cents fighting, doing something like this. Pay attention definitely to mention this is something that could happen. Major resistance there. We could be trading here for a while. So pay attention to what's happening in the Dogecoin space. I will change the title and make sure I bring this up. This was part of the plan, of course. As you can see here, currently right now, we're going to hit resistance at the 7.3, but then we broke through, and you can see 89 cents, 90 cents is on its way for Dogecoin. So if you're sitting here catching us this morning on this wonderful Friday, get excited because some of the altcoins are jumping up. Some of the other coins are doing things that, well, it moves faster than you can react. And that's the point. Yesterday, we told you 39 cents would be a good buy. I said on the daily, we're getting this head and shoulders pattern. Well, 4 hourly, 1 hourly. There is a head and shoulders pattern. Well, the daily's going to have to catch up, ladies and gentlemen. So it wouldn't surprise me if we found our way all the way to 50 cents. That's up to you to take on this trade, but I'm a big believer showing you what was happening, coming down all the way past the 39 cents. I have 11 hours and 11 minutes before this candle changes, and we do get a significant uptick. Can we go through the weekend a little bearish for the next 3 days? Yes, we could. Pay attention to the next 3 days of a possible fall. We could come all the way down to 37 before we get this uptick. So understand, yes, now that I'm looking at this, there could be a 37 fall. Not a big deal. Couple days down, coming into the weekend, and then ultimately, ladies and gentlemen, what are we establishing on the daily? Well, then that would be, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, a nice upward W. So pay attention to what's happening in Cardano. This is exactly what I think can happen. This is exactly what will happen. If you're really into the space and you're new, then watch. Currently right now, getting resistance at this exact spot. So Cardano is hitting the resistance currently right about where it's supposed to. As you can see, we're a little off. We're a little prematurely, but that's okay. A lot of the whales on this daily RSI were waiting for this moment to take profits, get out, do what they got to do, and they'll come back in. You'll see what happens here. This is going to be a quick little fall, probably creating this upward W. So watch what happens. It'll get some bearish momentum for a few days. Probably keep them red just to make it and show that that's what the whole idea was, right? We were talking about this falling. So pay attention to that. This is the video, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of you are at work, and obviously it's Friday, so you could still be sleeping, but enjoy your paycheck. Dollar cost average into this. There is an upward W coming in. You may be able to see what's happening now with the upward W coming all the way up. I do believe 50 cents. We'll be somewhere around that range where we'll be celebrating and taking some profits. Always take profits, ladies and gentlemen. It's very important. You are awesome, and so is this guy, Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. I wanted to get a little bit of some news here. We did have a fun little thing here. Canes. Is anybody interested in the Canes? Like I said, we come to you breaking news. Farms of the future. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty exciting though. Frozen food. McCain Foods wants young consumers to farm its metaverse network potatoes in a new game on Roblox. And if you're familiar with Roblox, you'll understand how important some of this news is. Integrated into Roblox's well-known Livetopia game, Farms of the Future allows players to virtually grow potatoes using regenerative farming methods that may make better restore soil health. The free-to-play game will launch today. Players are rewarded when they apply regenerative practices such as planting cover crops, integrating livestock through rotational grazing, and encouraging. So I thought this was a pretty good article. I was reading a little bit about it. Roblox is huge, as you may know. It's important to reach out to the younger consumers with the right message in the right location at the right moments. You got to understand what's going on. Some of the big brands, some of the big names, everyone's getting into the metaverse pretty soon. Everything is going to be digital. So I did a little research, right? That's what we do for you. You sit back, you enjoy the video, you hit the like, you hit the subscribe, and 2.6 billion visitors. I wish I could do anything in life and get 2.6 viewers. So it's been seen by 2.6 viewers. 3.4 million people have considered it's their favorite. And active right now, 41.1 thousand people. So something that's fairly new, Livetopia, Roblox, into the space. We're going to integrate the Web3, the crypto space, and the metaverse all into one. Just imagine being able to get into some of these things here. I went to go do more research, and just like on a floppy disk, right? When some of the Taco Bell, I don't know if you remember, Taco Bell did some of this stuff, giving you free food, games on the floppy disk, and now all of a sudden we're redoing this with McDonald's and all this stuff all over again. So it's becoming a big game. Farms of the future, Roblox game, Livetopia. Learn a little bit about it, do some research, as none of this is financial advice, of course. But get signed up, check it out. They have a Twitter feed, they have a Discord. Obviously, they're on YouTube. Contact them if you need to, but do your own research is more important. Remember when Bitcoin was taking everybody out one at a time? Do you remember this? And yeah, I do agree with some of the comments in the comment section here. Hit the like and subscribe, hit the follow. We do have a little bit of fun as well. It's not always serious stuff. But this was pretty funny because the whole family, how the hell did the whole family end up on the floor? Well, I remember when Bitcoin was taking everyone out just like this. Don't do it. Don't do it. The brains in the family must be very, very slim. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Almost was thinking it was acting. But here we are once again, Wall Street Pete's Sick Dough in Crypto, coming with another live video. I hope you enjoyed some of the news, some of the things we went over today. Make sure you hit the like. Make sure you become a subscriber. It's very important. Used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. If you're new to the channel, we have a lot of new people here. A lot of new faces. As you can see in the background there are no windows. I worked here at the New York Mercantile Exchange as a young buck coming right out of high school. Look at that young, sexy man. And learned a lot from some of the best traders in New York. Some of these people screaming and yelling, as you can see in the pictures, as we always talk about. So, you know, I learned charts, I learned technical analysis from some of the best people in the space, and I do appreciate their time. I appreciate the opportunity. I appreciate even the moments, almost a decade spent in this building with no windows after 9/11. Could you imagine? I'd want to be looking out a window after 9/11. I'm sure many of you can concur of what I'm speaking about here. If you have not followed us on TikTok, check us out. TikTok, WallSTP2. If you want to go to Instagram, then that is right there. WallST.Pete. Follow us on Instagram. If you want to donate, if you would like to donate, please go to the Cash App, if you have Cash App, and right down below here, you have to put the $ Sick Dough Crypto, and you want to throw a donation, go ahead. We put money back into the crypto space, which we will buy an asset. Most likely right now, with all the donations that we do receive, and we thank Blake for his monthly contribution to the channel. He's pretty much a sponsor at this point in time. The photographer, Blake, thank you so much. We appreciate your your monthly donations. We are buying Biconomy. So if that seems to be any importance or any of your business, what we do with our money, I don't mind saying, we take a good majority of that amount and we dollar cost average into Biconomy. So if anybody was wondering, Wall Street Pete, you're getting these donations, you keep thanking Blake each month. What are you doing with the money? Well, pretty much is what we're doing is we're dollar cost averaging into this Web3 layer. And I did say that there could have been a bottom here coming in. Inverted head was still coming. As you can see, I think we may have established it. We'll see. There could be one more big fall coming. This is Biconomy. We're supposed to go, but what else is new, right? We never just leave. Daily, weekly, not much there. 4 hourly, probably high. Yeah, we're very high. Consolidating down. As you can see, flipping resistance into support, which is a bullish momentum. So it wouldn't surprise me. Yes, we could start breaking through. What would we need to see? We need to break 46 cents in order to get anywhere near back to the 60 cents that I want to see. What would we get to before that? Well, 49 cents seems to be the number. So 46 cents broken. You will hover around 50 cents, 49. Check it out. That's what I expect to happen for by economy as we're getting back into the charts and we're just getting ready to say goodbye. Good morning, Gary, to you. But this is some of the things we do. So if you want to check us out, please hit the bell, hit the all notification. Total crypto market cap 978. Let's get a little refresh, see where we're at. 982, down 2%. Dogecoin up about 7% currently right now. And I promise you the Dogecoin has a lot to do with Elon Musk getting that Twitter deal done. We're going to have to talk about Dogecoin in the future, most likely the next video. If you're interested, the next video, I have decided. The next video, we're going to do a little bit about Dogecoin. I decided I'm going to do some TA on it and give you an idea of where I think this thing's going to go, because it looks like Dogecoin is getting ready to shine, ladies and gentlemen. This is exciting. If you did not know, Elon Musk, we have posted this, we have talked about it in the past. He has a plan to put Dogecoin into the Twitter, a Twitter code. And it's what he plans on doing is, instead of having all these people, all these bots scamming, basically typing and spamming all these posts and all this annoyance, right? They're going to make you charge a percentage of Dogecoin enabled to tweet. And I think it's a fantastic idea for a little fraction for that. And what's going to happen is it's going to eliminate, imagine 10,000 posts, 10,000 little types of people just eating up the space. And it's very annoying, right? The spam, that was the word I couldn't spit out. The spam is just so irritating. And what's going to happen is it's going to cost you to spam. And that's why I believe Dogecoin is going to hit all-time highs and beyond. And Dogecoin is going to be probably $1 one day, and you're not going to be able to handle it. But it's okay, because the rest of the crypto space is going to be moving. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. None of this is financial advice. Just a gentleman, twice as nice. We're out of here like Vladimir. Dogecoin is up 42% in the last week. You tell me what's happening. Not talking about Putin. Take care, everybody. Love y'all. Peace in and peace out. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.